Actor Shah Rukh Khan has been detained at security at a US airport yet again. Remember, this has happened to him several times before. He's been stopped this time at the Los Angeles airport. Now, the film star even tweeted about it. He says while he understands there are rules and security formalities, he says it's really tiresome to be detained again and again. So he tweets that he does understand the rules, he respects the rules of security, but really, it's happened to him again and again. And on a light-hearted note, he also tweeted that at least he got to play a game of Pokemon and catch some Pokemons at the airport as he waited. So once again, actor Shah Rukh Khan has been detained at a US airport, this time the LA airport. Well, let's go across to Namrata Brar for more on this story. And Namrata, it's happened yet again to Shah Rukh Khan. So tell us, what are you hearing?
So, Gargi, I have reached out to the LA Police Department, the LA Airport Police Department, as well as the Customs and Immigration Office. The Customs and Immigration Office, as well as the TSA, which is the Transport Security Administration in US, has so far not responded. But the brief conversation I had with the LA Airport Police Department, we basically discussed who Shah Rukh Khan is, and I said it's like Tom Cruise of India. And they said we are actually going to Google him as you speak. But they did not have information about exactly what went around, because the rules in the US, especially on this no-fly list, are essentially very, very thickly veiled. It's basically a black box of more than 80,000 names which are on this no-fly list, out of which only about 1,000 are American names. The rest could be just about everyone from the rest of the world. And the procedure in the US is a bit startling if you see whatever information we have right now. As I mentioned, not much information about the exact procedure is known because the TSA as well as the CIA and FBI closely guards this. But essentially, if a person's name matches that of a no-fly list person, whether in phonetics or whether in the actual name, that person will be detained for as much as 2 to 3 hours, consequently on each and every flight. We know it's happened to Shah Rukh Khan earlier in 2012. He was detained at the White Plains, New York airport. But in February of this year, he gave an interview saying that the person whose name corresponded with his on the no-fly list had been removed, and therefore he was hopeful of going in and out of the US much more easily than before. But unfortunately, this does not seem to be the case, as is clearly evident today.